Assuming that you're searching for Ethereum cost expectations, gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Ethereum will go from here on out. We will dissect the previous costs of Ethereum and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation in each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unimaginable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? Ethereum was sent off back in 2015 when digital currencies were at their pinnacle. The development that was utilized to construct Bitcoin was accustomed to carry Ethereum into this present reality. Ethereum is absolutely programmable. This implies that you can construct dApps with practically no hustle effectively on their organization. The elements of the application that is based on the organization are exceptionally modern. All the organization gives you play with its developments access an exceptionally lovely way, and you can in a real sense do anything with the innovation. The organizer behind ETH, Vitalik Buterin, delivered the white paper of the coin in 2013, preceding the coin's underlying coin presenting back in 2015. Ethereum establishment was likewise a drive of the originators behind the Ethereum organization, yet the pioneers need to leave the organization since it was reported as a charitable organization formally. The ICO was held in Florida where the organizers behind the ETH sold more than $18 million worth of coins. The sum was expected to use in the improvement of the venture. The coin needed to sit tight for a long to get itself on the board. The clients began to move the coins in 2015. The hard fork was one of the significant occasions held in ETH history. The hard fork update was Ethereum past value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Ethereum is $1,802.80 and ETH is right now position number 2 in the whole crypto-biological system. The dissemination supply of Ethereum is 122,373,866 with a market cap of $220,616,109,997, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Ethereum's cost has shown a decent increment of 2.01% as of now. For most recent 7 days, the ETH was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.61%. Ethereum has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the ongoing cost and recent days' cost history, it is seen that Ethereum has expanded 8.161% in its worth. A typical lease cost for the month is $1,527.63, while greatest normal cost was $1,655.68. This infers that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for long haul. The 90 days cost change is around 29.93%, and the cost course from a base typical cost of $1,257.77 to greatest normal cost of $1,283.59 in the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months, Ethereum has shown a developing pattern. Hence, we feel that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost. The coin is up by 36.74%, with the most extreme typical cost of the coin was around $1,306.47 and the base typical value of was around $1,200.46 in beyond 4 months. We foresee future Ethereum cost expectations. ETH conjecture by applying profound computerized reasoning helps specialized examination on the past value information of Ethereum. We give our altogether most extreme authentic information for the ETH coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Ethereum market cap, Ethereum volume, and not many more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our forecast. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at least worth of $2,095.42 in 2023. The Ethereum cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $2,469.68, with the typical exchanging cost of $2,157.83 all through 2023. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024. Ethereum cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $3,027.51 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the ETH cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $3,725.14 with the typical gauge cost of $3,135.40. ETH value conjecture for 2025. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $4,399.50 in 2025. The Ethereum cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $5,300 with the typical exchanging cost of $4,556.27 all through 2025. Ethereum value expectation 2026 according to the conjecture and specialized examination. In 2026, the cost of Ethereum is supposed to reach at least value worth of $6,567.34. The ETH cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $7,677.24 with the typical worth of $6,749.59. Ethereum value forecast 2027. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $9,858.29 in 2027. The Ethereum cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $11,306.69 with the typical cost of $10,195.77 all through 2027. Ethereum value expectation 2028. Ethereum cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $15,190.71 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the ETH cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $17,309.49 with the typical estimate cost of $15,700.50. Ethereum value expectation 2029 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ETH. In 2029, the cost of Ethereum is gauged to be at around a base worth of $22,249.83. The Ethereum value worth can arrive at a limit of $26,550.26 with the typical exchanging worth of $23,034.86 in USD. Ethereum value conjecture 2030. The cost of one Ethereum is supposed to reach at least degree of $30,728.17 in 2030. The ETH cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $38,588.83 with the typical cost of $31,879.92 all through 2030. Ethereum value expectation 2031 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2031, the cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at least degree of $45,492.75. The ETH cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $53,274.19 with the typical exchanging cost of $46,767.95. Ethereum value forecast 2032 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ETH. In 2032, the cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $66,084.73. The ETH cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $77,792.97 with the typical exchanging cost of $67,955.45.